Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the process now. Sign into Facebook and go straight to Settings and then Security and Login. Once there, choose Use Two-Factor Authentication so you can pick how to get codes. You should have your mobile phone and an authenticator app ready. If you prefer texts, make sure your current phone number is listed. Begin by tapping the option and selecting Authentication app or text message as your primary method. This first step locks in the channel that will send or generate codes. Now configure the detailed options. If you pick an Authenticator app, open the app, scan the QR code Facebook shows, or type the code manually, then enter the generated 6-digit number to confirm. If you choose SMS as a fallback, Facebook will send a verification code. Enter it to validate the number. Important: generate recovery codes, download them, or copy them to a secure place. Once done, make sure both methods are active so you won't get locked out. Finish by testing the login flow. Log out and back in, and use the method you set to retrieve the 6-digit code. If the code doesn't arrive or the app shows wrong codes, use a recovery code or the code generator in Facebook settings to regain access. If you still can't get a code, check your phone's time synchronization, revoke old trusted devices, and verify your phone number. If nothing works, contact Facebook support, but usually time sync or using recovery codes solves it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.